log here. But again, get some diesel fuel.
Filler cap on the left hand side?
Yes, Japanese style.
I've drunk Japanese car a while. It feels like it was the engine that was meant to be in this thing.
Aye, I know, it really, really does. It's really surprising how well it works for what it is.
There's loads of torque. There's like loads of torque there.
Aye, down low.
Yes.
And you'd wonder because it's not actually, I think you can't really see it here, it's not actually making any boost. But it just it feels like it is. It feels like it's got a wee tiny bit of help hand. But you never blew the boost pipe off the other night. You would actually swear that get less torque. So I don't know if there's something to do with that. You know, just getting a wee bit of, I don't know what it is, but.
That is a pretty big turbo on this thing, but like it feels there, and I think you must be right because it feels like it's building boost really low down, you know.
Yeah. Well, it's a HX40 Super 16cm internally gated.
Which is pretty big as a big turbo.
Big turbo, but it doesn't drive like it at all.
Nope. Bear in mind, this is the first time pretty much the first time I've driven this thing.
First time since the build, yeah. Apart from across the yard, maybe. Riding that wave of torque.
It's just like wafting power.
Oh, aye.
If that makes any sense.
How good would it not be when automatic? No? Do you not think the engine suits it though? Do you not think if you had that turbo with that engine and that amount of fuel that if you were sitting about here on the Autobox it would feel very wafty?
There's something so good about a manual though. It's so much fun, you can change gears. Manuals are so fun.
I wonder should I tell everyone why I had to put the voltmeter on it?
Why did you have to put the voltmeter on?
Because I'm an idiot and I can't wire a fucking alternator light. But look, it tells you you've got 13.7 volts, which is class, and then whenever you go to starter it goes down to 9. Also the absolute peak of my build has been able to keep the gear stick in its original place. Look at this, keep the cup holders. Mint job. Mint job.
It is very natural for a car that was never supposed to be. This never came in a manual for
Never came in a manual, no. Never came in a manual.
It does feel very natural.
As I found out whenever I tried to put my clutch pedal into it.
Yes.
Spent 3 weeks down on here. 4 weeks? 6 weeks? Maybe longer.
Does your speedo run off your ABS?
Yes.
So it just worked without having to change anything?
Yeah.
Or?
So it ran off the, or what does that run off? I think it's the rear ABS sensors, aye. Really, really nice actually that it does work. What's this? I think it's not the race. Like a timmer on her.
You do have to watch you don't catch your handbrake pedal there.
Yes.
It's not bad, but
it's probably
my big feet doesn't help.
It's probably actually better like that though than it was before, because before I had the touch pedal moved way over to the right hand side. Closer to the brake, which moved it a bit further away, but I just didn't feel as good that there. But the pedal is now, you can't really see it when we try and get a bit of B-roll in here, but the pedal is now feels more natural for a clutch pedal. But you just do have to be careful about it. See, a lot of people actually put the shorter handbrake in and move the handbrake down in here somewhere. Because then it goes away obviously with like stupid extra pedal.